of the most exciting cars to me personally at this year's Auto Expo has to be this. It's the Polo Cup car. Volkswagen Motorsport has developed this car properly in India itself. Let me run you through the details. The Volkswagen Polo Cup car will replace the Ameo in their one-make championship this year. And they're based on the same platform, but there's been a lot of work done to make this car race ready. For starters, they've tweaked the roll cage to make it stiffer as well as more safe. They've tweaked the suspension to make it more drivable. It's got the same 1.8 litre TSI engine under the hood, but it's bumped up by 5 horsepower to 210 horsepower. One of my favorite bits now, it's got push to pass. So you can push a button on the dash and you get a 20 horsepower boost for a limited amount of time to make an overtaking move. The Volkswagen Polo Cup car has come full circle. If you remember, the original Volkswagen one-make championship was with a Polo, but mind you, it was a TDI. Now it's running a TSI engine and it's back on the racetrack. There's still development work to be done. They're fine-tuning things before it gets out onto the track. They're still testing, but you're going to see the Volkswagen Polo TSI back on the track very, very soon.
Subscribe to the Evo India channel and hit the bell icon to keep pace with the thrill of driving.